In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share scheduled events to the team member in Calendly. If you've ever had a client book time with you and then realized you also needed your teammate in the room, you know how messy follow-up invites can be. The simplest way to make sure the right people are automatically included from the start is to use a collective event type in Calendly. Collective events are designed for collaborative scheduling. Instead of checking just your availability, Calendly looks at everyone who needs to attend and only offers times when all hosts are free. That means fewer back and forth messages and no overlapping commitments. Here's how to set it up. From your Calendly dashboard, select the plus sign labeled Create and choose Collective. You'll see an option to add teammates as co-hosts. Pick the people who should be included whenever this event is booked. Think of this like forming a group host team for that specific meeting type. Calendly will coordinate the calendars for every co-host you add and only show time slots that work for all of you simultaneously. Once you've added your teammates as co-hosts, the magic happens at booking time. When someone schedules using this collective event, the meeting is automatically added to your calendar and to your teammate's calendar as well. There's no need to forward an invite or manually CC anyone later. Everyone who needs to be there is on the invite, and everyone's availability has already been respected. A quick note on why this approach is so effective. Collective scheduling prevents double booking across hosts, and it protects your focus time by showing guests only the times that truly work for the entire group. It's perfect for client demos that require both a sales lead and a technical specialist, internal reviews that need decision makers present, or any situation where the meeting isn't useful unless the full team attends. If you ever notice that few or no times are available, that's a signal that the combined availability across hosts is tight. In that case, consider which hosts actually need to be present for this specific meeting type. Collective events are best when every co-host truly needs to attend. That's all you need to share scheduled events with a team member in Calendly using a collective event. Create the collective event from your dashboard, add your teammates as co-hosts, and let Calendly coordinate the timing. Once a guest books, the event lands on everyone's calendars automatically, so you can focus on meeting prep instead of logistics.